Namaste. I am Bhavya Mandana, a Julu Yogini, and today I'm going to be taking you through a practice where we're going to help quieten the monkey mind. So this practice is about basically trying to balance out the right side energy, which is Ha, also known as the sun, and the left side energy known as Ta or moon energy. So when Ha and Ta come together, it's known as Hatha, right? So we've all heard of Hatha Yoga. So Hatha Yoga is about balancing out the right side energy and the left side energy, which is when your body is in balance. So with everything going around, our minds may not be in the right place. We'll be feeling imbalanced, not really feeling like ourselves. So this practice is going to help you quieten the mind. It's a balance-based asana practice. So balance-based asana practice requires your mind to stay still and calm and thoughtless. One key thing is if you do fall out of your asana, it is completely okay. Take a breath, be kind to yourself and move back into the asana. Okay, don't give yourself a hard time if you fall out. It's completely okay. So we're going to start off with our breathing, kriya, to sort of cleanse before we move into our asana practice. I also wanted to let you guys know that the first breath or the first movement or asana that I show you, if you are unsure about the asana or the breathing, you can watch me first and then we'll start together, okay? So don't be in a hurry to move into this asana or into this breathing practice. You can first watch me like I mentioned and then move into the asana. Vajrasana or cross leg depending on how you're comfortable. So men, you can use your right wrist behind in your left palm, and women left wrist in your right palm behind your back. Place at the small of your back. Roll your shoulders behind. As you breathe in, gentle arch. Breathe out, straighten out the spine. Make sure your glute and heel remain in contact with each other as you bend down. Try and touch your forehead to the floor. If your heel is coming off the floor, then you can push the glute back to the heel and stop where you're comfortable. There's no need to try and push even further. The idea is to stretch out the lower back and your ankles. When you're done, breathe in, come back up. Breathe out, back down. Okay, so it's continuously 5 times that we're going to do it. We'll start now. Hold your wrists behind your back depending on whether you are male or female, right or left palm. Breathe in as you arch. Breathe out, bend down, fall to the floor. 1. Inhale, arch. Exhale all the way down. 2. Inhale, arch. Exhale to the floor. 3. Inhale, arch. Exhale all the way down to the floor. 4. Inhale, arch. Exhale, this is your last exhale, and 5. Breathe in, arch on your 6th inhale. Breathe out and straighten your spine. Bring your hands forward, relax. The next breathing that we're going to move into is a tiger breathing. Forearm distance between your knees, elbows close to your knees, and thumb to your index or middle finger, 1 palm distance into a 90-degree angle. Okay, here you're just going to breathe in, drop your lower back down, look up. Breathe out, engage your core and look down. Okay? Inhale, you will continue and exhale. So don't worry if you don't feel too much of a back opening, it's okay. You go to where you're comfortable. Gentle stretches is very important. Let's start with our tiger breathing. 5 breath, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, down. Engage your core, look towards your belly. 1. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out. 3. Breathe in. Breathe out. 4. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, and 5. Breathe in, look up, 6th inhale, and relax your spine as you exhale. We're going to slowly stand up. From here, we're going to move into a Surya Namaskar. So we're going to do a Hatha Surya Namaskar. First, I will show you, and if you have been practicing a Hatha Surya Namaskar, you're confident, you can start on your own. If you aren't too sure, you can wait, watch me, and then we'll start together. Toes touching each other, roll your shoulders behind, elbows in line with your wrist, Namaskara. Breathe in, bring your hands to your ears and gentle arch. Breathe out, bend forward into a toe touch. Drop your right leg behind, knee on the floor, look forward. Inhale. Exhale into a high plank. Drop your knees to the floor, roll your shoulders behind, toes pointed outwards or backwards. Breathe in. Breathe out, only your chest and chin will touch the floor. It's okay if you're not getting this high an arch, even if it's this low, it's okay. As long as your belly is off the floor. Breathe in. Try and get your knees off. If you can't, you can leave your knees on the floor. Breathe out into Adho Mukha. If you are uncomfortable, not feeling a stretch on the lower back, give a gentle bend in your knees and push your back downwards or inwards towards your knees. If you are comfortable, you can stretch your knees, no problem. This is your exhale. Right foot in between your palms. Drop your left knee to the floor with your toe pointed backwards. Breathe in. Breathe out, toe touch. Breathe in, arch. And relax. So we'll do one round of the Hatha Surya Namaskar just to get our muscles warmed up and to stretch our muscles out. So we'll start with our right leg and then move to our left leg, which is one round. Alright, let's start with the right. Shoulders roll back, elbows in line with your wrist, toes touching each other. Breathe in, arch. Breathe out, toe touch. Right leg behind, drop your knee on the floor. Toe pointed behind, inhale. Exhale into a high plank. Drop down, look up, Urdhva Mukha. Into Shashtangasana, chest and chin. Breathe in, upward facing dog. With or without the knees, downward facing dog. Right foot in between your palm, drop your knee on the floor, breathe in. Toe touch, breathe out. Gentle arch. We're moving to the left leg. This one we'll do without instructions. Let's start. Breathe in. Breathe out. Look forward, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left foot in between your palms. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And relax. Now let's move into our asana sequence. Okay? So we're going to start off with an ankle stretch. So your feet are together. Again, you can watch me first before you go into your asana. Feet together. Pick a stationary object which is eye level. Okay? Not too high, not too low. Hands beside you. If you're a beginner, keep your hands beside you. If you're an advanced or intermediate, or you just want to challenge yourself, then lift up as you inhale. Beginners, if you want to challenge yourself, you can gently raise your hands up to your ears. And as you exhale, drop down. Okay? Let's start. 5 breaths. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, drop down. Next is a vrikshasana or tree pose. Your foot is placed, right foot placed downwards, eye level. Engage your core, engage your glute. Lift your left foot off the floor if you're comfortable. Place on your calf. Don't place it on your ankle or your knees, calf or thigh. If you're a beginner, you can hold your namaskara at your chest level. If you're comfortable, intermediate or advanced, you can breathe in and bring your hands up all the way. On exhale, drop your hands and foot. Okay, let's start with the right leg. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, drop your hands down and your left foot to the floor. Core engaged, left glute engaged. Right leg off the floor, place on your calf or thigh. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your hands down and your foot to the floor. The next one is Natarajasana. Your right foot is planted. Again, you can watch me first. Right foot planted, grab your left ankle, pull your knee behind in line with your right knee. As you inhale, bring your right hand close to your ear. Exhale, gently lean forward to where you're comfortable. Don't drop your hand down. Let your hand be in line with your ears. 5 breaths here. When you're done, inhale, come back to the standing position. Beginners, you can stand here if you are uncomfortable moving forward, or if you're just generally not having a great day, you're not getting your balance, you can stay here. Okay? Let's start. Grab your left ankle, pull behind, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, straighten your spine. Breathe out, drop your hand down and your foot. Left foot on the floor, grab your right ankle, pull your knee behind, breathe in. Bring your hand up to your ear, breathe out, bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straighten the spine. Exhale, drop your hand down and your right foot to the floor. Very good. Let's move into a resisting asana or a strength building asana. Hands are on your hip, spine straight. For beginners or for people who generally have a stiff back, you can lean against the wall, not fully. Make sure your spine is still straight, hands on your hip, looking forward. Right leg on the floor. Breathe in, lift your left leg up. 5 breaths. When you're done, drop down, okay? If you're not using the wall, breathe in as you lift up. Make sure this is not happening. Your spine remains straight. Even if you need to drop your leg down a little, it's okay. Let's start. Plant your right foot to the floor. Breathe in, lift your left foot up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your left foot to the floor. Right foot, left foot on the floor, glute engaged, core engaged. Breathe in, lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, drop down. Very good. Now we move into our last asana. We're placing our right foot on the floor. Lift your left leg. Watch me first. If you can place your ankle all the way up. If you can't, you can place it a little lower. It's okay. Place where you're comfortable. Roll your left shoulder behind. If you can, grab your toe. If you can't, just reach out to how much you can or where you're comfortable. Alright? And if you're losing balance, stay right here. If you're okay with your balance, you can breathe in and bring your right hand up to your ear. Exhale, drop down, and then the foot. Alright? Let's start. Right foot planted on the floor, left ankle is placed on your groin. Left shoulder roll back, grab your toe. If you can, if you can't, it's okay. Eye level, breathe in. Right hand up or left down, up to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your hand down first and then your foot. Place your left foot, engage your glute, engage your core. Lift your right leg, place your ankle on your thigh or groin. Roll your right shoulder behind, grab your toe. Breathe in, lift your hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your hand down and your foot to the floor. Very good. So this is our balance or asana practice. Like I mentioned, if you do fall out of your asanas, it's okay. You can always stop, take a moment, be kind, be nice to yourself, and you'll notice how willingly your body will work. The harder you are on yourself, the more it goes against you. So try and be as kind as you possibly can. Alright, awesome. Now we're going to move from a standing position into a sitting position, doing a flow. Breathe in, bring your hands to your ears. Give a slight stretch for your spine. As you breathe out, toe touch. Look up halfway, inhale. Place your palms on the floor. You can either step back if you're a beginner, or if you're comfortable, you can jump back into a high plank for beginners. And for intermediate advanced, you can move into a low plank. Breathe in. And breathe out into Vajrasana. Okay, let's do that again. Together. Shoulders roll behind, toes touching each other. If you're very, very stiff, you can't touch your toes. You can keep your feet slightly apart. Okay? Breathe in. Breathe out. Toe touch. Breathe in, look up halfway. Hold that breath, bend your knees, place your palms flat, jump back up, step back into a high plank or low plank. Inhale, exhale, Adho Mukha. Drop your knees to the floor into Vajrasana. Now from Vajrasana, we're going to move into a pranayama, a meditation, and come out of it through a Shavasana. So you can choose to sit either Vajrasana or cross-legged, whatever you are comfortable with. Remember, if you're sitting in Vajrasana, mudra, tip of your thumb to the tip of your index finger, place downwards. If you're sitting in cross-legged or Padmasana, place your palms with the same mudra in an upward position. Take a few breaths to just relax. If you're breathless, if your heart is racing, just take a couple of moments. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Last breath, 5. We're going to move into our Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Some of you all may be familiar with it, some of you all may not be familiar with it. So beginners or people who aren't familiar with it, we will be doing a basic Anulom Vilom. If you are an intermediate person or if you are an advanced practitioner or you know your breathing, you can do the Anulom Vilom that you have been practicing. So the Anulom Vilom that we're doing today is not cyclic, it is one nostril at a time, because we're trying to balance out the right and the left. Breathing in through one nostril at a time will help you understand better which nostril or which side of the body is facing more discomfort or is feeling more off balance than the other. So usually you may find it easier to breathe in through the left than to the right. Okay, so when you do this one at a time, you will be able to tell the difference between which is blocked and which is more free-flowing. So let's start with our Anulom Vilom practice. Mudra, little finger and your thumb. You're going to use your thumb for your right nostril, little finger for your left nostril. Mudra on the other hand, drop down. Okay, we're going to be doing 5 breaths of the Anulom Vilom, which means 5 in the right nostril and 5 in the left nostril. Let's start. Roll your shoulders behind. Be comfortable, spine erect. Mudra. Close the left nostril and breathe in through the right. Exhale through the right. When you're done with 5 like this, close your right and breathe in through the left. Exhale through the left. 5 times, okay? Let's start. Close the left nostril using your little finger. Breathe in 5 times through the right. And 5. Exhale. Close your right nostril using your thumb. Move to your left nostril. Inhale. And 5. Exhale. Drop your right hand onto your thigh. With your mudra, keep your eyes closed. Don't make any movements. So you can do either 5 or 7 or 9. Okay, depending on how disturbed your mind is feeling or how unbalanced you feel. Stay here for a few moments. Notice how you feel mentally, physically, and breath-wise. Do you feel more relaxed? Does your mind feel more relaxed? And does your breath feel more paced, slower, deeper? Notice the different changes. Now as you inhale, feel the air, the fresh energy enter your body. And as you exhale, feel yourself let go of all your thoughts, worries, stress, anxiety. It's all leaving your body. Inhale and exhale all of this out. Nice deep breath. Notice how light your body begins to feel with every exhale. How relaxed you feel, as if you're floating completely free. Enjoy this feeling. Enjoy this moment. Let your mind be completely still. Let go of all your thoughts, all your worries. If there are any thoughts, let them come and let them go. Don't pay any attention to them. Notice a gentle smile upon your face. Your body is thanking you for this practice, for these breathing practices. Take a moment to acknowledge this. Keeping your eyes closed, if you are comfortable. If not, you can gently open your eyes. We're going to move into our Shavasana. Okay? Place your left palm on the floor. Shift your body weight to the left. Bring your right leg out. Then drop all of your weight onto your right glute and move your left leg outwards. You can lie down, feet 6 inches apart from each other and your palms 6 inches away from your waist. If there are any thoughts, let them come and let them go. Inhale and exhale all of your thoughts, all of your worries, all of your stress. Your body is feeling lighter, more calm, more free, more relaxed. Just notice that feeling. Deep breaths. As you breathe in, feel the belly rise. And as you breathe out, feel the belly sink into the floor. With every breath, your thoughts are leaving your mind. Your stress and anxiety is leaving your body. Now that your mind is completely still and relaxed, take your awareness gently to the lower part of your body, which is your feet. Relax your toes. Relax your ankles. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your knees. Relax your thighs. Relax your glutes. Relax your lower back. Relax your fingers. Relax your wrists. Relax your elbows. Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. And you relax your facial muscles. Feel your entire body just sink into the floor. If you feel any part of your body, muscle or joint move to a particular side, please let it be. Do not try and control that muscle. Let yourself completely relax. You can re-scan your body from your toes to your head. If there are any changes you'd like to make, you can make them now. Any part which is uncomfortable, you're feeling itchy, you can do all of that now. Stabilize your body, no movements here on out. Just focus on deep breathing. As you breathe in, feel your belly rise. And as you breathe out, feel your body just sink into the floor. Deep breathing. If there are any thoughts, let them come and let them go. We're going to move our awareness to the lower part of our body between our navel and our toes. We're going to take a deep breath in and chant Ah, nice and loud. Remember, you have to chant loudly or you won't feel the vibration. Breathe in. Feel the vibration in the lower part of your body. Move your awareness to the midsection of your body between your chin and your navel. Take a deep breath in and chant Ooh loudly. Inhale. Ooh. Feel the vibration in the midsection of your body. Move your awareness to the upper part, which is your head. Relax your facial muscles. Take a deep breath in and hum loudly. Inhale. Feel the vibration in the upper part of your body. Focus on your body as a whole. Join the three parts. We're going to take a deep breath in and chant Ah, Ooh, together loudly. Feel the vibration surge through your entire body, settling down in and around you. Gently bring your consciousness and awareness back to your surroundings. Be conscious of the sounds, the smells that you can hear. Gently move your toes, fingers, and neck side to side. Bring your feet together, hands above your head, and give a good stretch with your toes pointed out in the opposite directions. Place your left hand above your head in the same place. Place your right palm above your head and bring your left palm to your belly. Place your left foot on the floor and turn to the right. Stay here for a few seconds. Place your left palm on the floor and gently push yourself up into a sitting position. It can be Vajrasana or it can be Padmasana. Roll your shoulders behind, let your eyes remain closed. For men, take your right wrist in your left palm behind your back, and women, left wrist in your right palm behind your back. As you breathe in, arch. Breathe out, bend down, try and touch your forehead to the floor. Give thanks. Breathe in, arch. Breathe out, straighten your spine, bring your hands forward and rub your palms together till you feel the heat or electricity between your palms. Cup them over your eyes, let all the energy pass through. Using your fingertips, massage your facial muscles in an upward direction only. Start with your forehead to your cheeks, chin. Place your palms directly in front of you and gently blink your eyes open. Namaste. Thank you.